The biggest problem is that you feel that you don't have a voice. And our legal system is interesting because I think we spout off that justice is blind, and that's a great attribute of the system. Unfortunately, I think justice a lot of times is deaf. I think that that's the biggest obstacle, is helping individuals get connected with the right people that can either give them a voice or with the right information that gives them that voice so that they can participate in the process themselves. I do a substantial amount of pro bono work. I think that the stuff that I'm most interested in and excited about is I've been working for the past 3 or 4 years on legislation that would help a certain population of individuals who are in need and whose needs I have identified as not being addressed in most of the state's laws. Educating legislators about what's needed in the law and how to help people better is something that I've really been focused on and I really enjoy. I was facing a very personal custody battle because I'm a woman that was raped. I conceived a child through that attack, and then was shocked to have my attacker seek custody of the child that I conceived in that act. And what I was shocked to find is that my state, like so many others, didn't have a law that would stop this from happening, that would prevent men who conceive and rape from exercising custody rights. And so I had to make what I would consider to be really unjust decisions and bargain away certain rights that I had to see my attacker humbled in the criminal courts in order to protect my family. So, that was a time when I saw that justice wasn't done. But fast forward now, 9 years, and I recently testified in Illinois in the House Judiciary Committee. And what I argued there was that we needed a law in Illinois that would stop this from happening. What ended up happening is the Judiciary Committee unanimously voted to send it to the floor, which meant that the House was unable to vote on it. Passed unanimously in the House. It's now pending in the Senate, and it could be voted on any day. And so it was just a really powerful moment because here I am doing essentially what I view as justice, right? I was able to be heard that day. And in being heard, I was able to ensure that other women one day will be heard as well. So informative, accessible, and actually if I could go a little bit further, kind of playing into what I said earlier about justice being deaf, is that you all are hearing accessible, if you will, creating tools and resources so that people can be heard. Hearing accessible, yeah.